Hello, this is my bike check. A bit of a shitter, but still. These are Primo Sasquatch bars, 30 wide, a Savage top load with red bolts, Assault Plus top cap, ODI grips on 1 foot Colt bar end, don't even have another one. Got a Wheelie People Trust 2012 forks on some old shitter peg, and got a Salt brand new peg on this side, and my wheel is a Primo Comet tyre on a United SU1 complete front wheel on a G-Sport hub guard. Moving to the frame, I have a Wheelie People Trust 2012, lasting really well, got it near Christmas. I have a Sean Sexton C, Kinksy, Savage purple seat post. Moving down to the cranks, I've got 1 Salt purple crank, 1 Salt, Stolen Mob crank on this side, some shitty Salt pegs, a profile sprocket with bash guard on, with a Colt 410 chain, some shitter back peg, and another Salt peg on a Season hub guard on an and the rim is an Alienation Black Sheep rim with a custom spray. Some next Mark Webb signature hub, and some fucking spokes. Hope you enjoyed my bike. Thank you.